Yeah, so I did just finish the Designing VMware Infrastructure training course, and that was a lot of fun. I had never done a training course before. As you know, I've written books, so I'm mastering VMware vSphere 4 and mastering VMware vSphere 5, and then with the lead author Forbes Guthrie and Mesh Seidel-Keesing, we did VMware vSphere Design, and I had the instant reference book in there as well. And those were a learning experience. So the first book that I did, you take a lot out of that, and you kind of apply it to the second one. And I'm sure I'll do the same thing when I do my next training course. I'll take a lot out of it. I think just the process, if I had to say like something that I learned the most from and then something that I really enjoyed, although I don't know how well it actually turned out, I really enjoyed the handwriting, whiteboarding part of it. That was a lot of fun, just going through some calculations and kind of just drawing it out and recording while that was fun. It kind of felt like there was one-on-one, like I'm chatting with an engineer buddy and, okay, I gotta calculate this and that and the other. That was a lot of fun. Learning from it, I think it was a matter of a real strong focus on making sure that you had a good outline. I think with books, it was easier, maybe, I know that seems odd, easier to write a book than create a video training series, but with the books, if the content was weird, I just cut and pasted out a word, moved it over here with a video recording. Maybe you guys could have cut and pasted and moved things, but it wasn't quite as easy. So I really had to think about how I was presenting the material and in what order I was presenting the material and make sure that I covered concepts first and then applied those concepts later. And so it forced me to put a lot more rigor into my outlining and organization skills before I actually went into the content production, which I think will be beneficial in not only in future video training series that I do, but also in other areas where I'm producing content. So what kind of projects do I have coming up? Well, I'm really excited about another book project, and so we're going to be announcing that this coming week, and by the time that all of you guys see this, it'll already be news, but I'm really excited that Forbes Guthrie and I, who were the lead authors along with Mesh on the original edition of the VMware vSphere Design book, are revising that vSphere book. We're coming out with VMware vSphere Design 2nd edition. It's due out later this year. I'm really excited about that, and we're going to be incorporating a lot of content on vSphere 5, as well as content on vSphere 5.1, and how that impacts the design process and what you need to think about when you're going in designing environments. So we're really, really excited about that, and I'm looking forward to getting that book out. And then, of course, there's always the possibility that there'll be more train signal video courses. We don't know exactly what yet, but I had a lot of fun creating the course, and I'm sure that we'll do more in the future.